Hello everyone. I welcome to my channel Mother's Touch to help your loving ones to read fast.
Let's start from short vowel sounds a, e, a. Now, let's get started by the blending sounds of consonants with vowel A. Vowel A say a, apple, a, ib, a, ba, it, bat, it, bat, it, bat, ik, a, ca, it, cat, it, cat, it, cat, if, a, fa, it, fat, it, fat, it, fat, h, a, ha, it, hat, it, hat, it, hat, im, a, ma, it, mat, it, mat, it, mat, ip, a, pa, it, pat, it, pat, it, pat, ir, a, ra, it, rat, it, rat, it, rat, is, a, sa, it, sat, it, sat, it, sat, it, a, ta, it, tat, it, tat, it, tat. Now let's learn the blending sounds with the vowel E. E says a, egg, a, ib, a, be, it, bet, it, bet, it, bet, ig, a, gay, it, get, it, get, it, get, j, a, j, it, jet, it, jet, it, jet, ill, a, lay, it, let, it, let, im, a, may, it, met, it, met, in, a, nay, it, net, it, net, ip, a, pay, it, pet, it, pet, is, a, say, it, set, it, set, va, ye, way, it, wet, it, wet, it, wet, ya, ye, it, yet, it, yet, it, yet. Now let's learn the blending sounds with the vowel I. I says e, igloo, ib, e, b, it, bit, it, bit, it, bit, if, e, feel, it, fit, it, fit, it, fit, ha, e, he, it, hit, it, hit, it, hit, k, e, key, it, hit, it, hit, it, hit, ill, e, lee, it, lit, lit, li, it, lit. Ip, e, p, p, it, pit, p, it, pit, p, it, pit. Is, e, see, see, it, sit, see, it, sit, see, it, sit. Va, e, we, it, wit, we, it, wit, we, it, wit. Let's now learn the blending sounds with the vowel O. O says ah, orange, ah. K, ka, it, caught, ka, it, caught, ka, it, caught, ka, it, caught. Id, da, da, it, dot, da, it, dot. Ig, ga, it, got, ga, it, got, ga, it, got. Ha, it, hot, ha, it, hot, ha, it, hot. Il, la, it, lot, la, it, lot, la, it, lot. In, na, it, not, no, it, not, no, it, not. Ip, pa, it, pot, pa, it, pot, pa, it, pot. Now let's read the blending sounds with the vowel U. U says umbrella, ib, b, it, but, it, but, it, but. K, it, cut, it, cut, it, cut. Ha, her, it, hut, it, hut, it, hut. In, it, nut, it, nut, it, nut. Practice reading daily, children.
I hope you like Mother's Touch. So click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.